Hillary of Creative Faith, and today I am bringing you guys not one but two YouTube videos. I decided to take them and split them in half. And I debated on posting on the same day, but I was kind of praying about it. I was like, yes, I'm going to post both of them on the same day. So this is a Crafty Supply haul video, and this video is going to be from Dollar Tree and Joann's. And then my second video, which I'll definitely link in the comments below, is a crafty haul from Growing Meadows Etsy shop and Tuesday morning. So I try to be quite honest. I try really hard not to spend money on craft supplies, but they bring me so much joy and I love using them. And so I wanted to show you guys what I got. And I love watching supply haul videos because I think it's fun to see like what other people get from different craft stores and what places you might not normally look for craft supplies. So we have the Dollar Tree on this side and Joann's on this side. I'm going to start with Joann's first. Set these aside. So these are the things I got from Joann's fabric store. None of it's fabric, obviously. And a really sweet congregation member gave me a gift card to Joann's for Christmas. And so I save it for like really hard times when I want to spend money, but it's like free money because it's on a gift card. And so after I had a kidney stone episode in February, and it was my birthday month, and I was just like feeling kind of sad. I went to Joann's online, and I've been really enjoying using these Tombow brush markers in my bullet journal. And I got the Galaxy set when I first started bullet journaling in January, and I also got like two pinks and a light purple that's similar to that one. And I've been using them every single day, and I've been using them in my like art journaling and Bible journaling too, and so I just love them so much. I can't believe it's taken me this long to get them. And so I wanted to get another one of the packs because the packs of 10 I think are kind of like the cheapest way to do it. For me at least. And so I went onto Joann's because you can't buy them in store. You can't buy any of these in store. So I had to buy them online, but I waited until there was a bunch of coupons. And so I got these online. It did take a while. I'm like so used to Amazon Prime, right, where you get it almost immediately. But these did take a while to make it to my house. But I made it really exciting when they got here. So I ended up getting the pack of secondary. That's what this pack is called. And I will try and find it on Amazon and link it down below for you guys. So I really wanted something with green because green is what I'm using in my March bullet journal. And I'll link my March bullet journaling video in the description box below so you guys can see how I'm using these colors. I also love the browns, and I don't use a ton of orange and red, but I thought having it here would kind of push me outside of my comfort zone a bit. And then I love this dark purple too. So I got these, and then I wanted to get these two new Distress Oxide inks. I was over at my friend Marcy's house, and she has an impressive Distress Oxide collection. And we used these two colors together with a stencil, and it was the prettiest thing I'd ever seen. And so this was one of them that I know my friend Lindsay uses a lot. I had asked Lindsay probably, it was in like November, December, like what her favorite Distress Oxide colors were. And this was one of them that she mentioned, the Tattered Rose. And this is Abandoned Coral. And I actually have a kit coming out in my Etsy shop soon that uses coral a lot. And that is the Pantone color of the year. And so I'm really excited to use this also. So this was my Joann's virtual haul because I got them online, but I haven't used these yet, but I've been using these a ton in my bullet journal. And so this is my Joann's haul, and I use Distress Oxides a lot, not just for stamping but for smooshing down, and I love how creamy and beautiful they are. I love using them with stencils and makeup brushes from the Dollar Tree. So that is my Joann's haul. And speaking of the Dollar Tree, that is where my next haul is from. So I'll just bring them over like one at a time. I love going to the Dollar Tree, and you guys, the Dollar Tree has really awesome craft supplies. They've been like totally stepping up their game. And so the first thing I saw were these paper clips. I have paper clips with all of my physical Bible journaling kits in my Etsy shop, and I'll link some of the kits that I have in the description box below. There's one called Adventure Awaits. That's really awesome. I have one called Take Root that's still in stock, but that one's almost out of stock. And I have some prayer journals. A lot of my physical kits have been going out of stock, and so if there's one that you guys want, grab it soon. But I just love the colors, the kind of similar colors to the stress or the Tombow markers, actually, as I'm just looking at this. I have a pink and a teal and an orange and a purple. So I use these in my kits for my Etsy shop. I saw this notepad and I fell in love. I don't drink coffee, so you might be thinking, why did I fall in love with this notepad? But I have been crossing out coffee and writing out Jesus. So life begins after Jesus. I love this cacti succulent print behind it. And so what I've been doing is ripping them out and gluing them into my prayer journal and writing a prayer on top of them. And so I got one for me and one to do in a giveaway, or actually I might be gifting it to someone because God kind of changed my plans with that. But I just loved this. And they had a ton of other colors and sayings. There were a few more that I thought could have a Christian twist on them. So this is my other little find, a fun notepad. And then to go along with the cacti theme, look at these cute little stamps. I say stuck on you, love grows. And then there's 4 different cacti in these cute little pots. And this is from the Dollar Tree. Kind of cool. So this I will be giving away either in a giveaway or as a gift. But I just loved the typography and just these cute little elements in the stamp set. I love buying cards at the Dollar Tree. That's like almost the only place I get cards now. They have really cute cards, holiday cards, normal cards for birthdays and anniversaries and stuff. And I write a lot of thank you notes. I think it's really important to write thank you notes. And so they have these love thank you cards that are blank inside. But I also thought this would be cool to use as a tip-in in my Bible or in my journal. I love the floral print. It has like just a little bit of sparkles on some of them. So note cards are really fun to use in journaling. And then here's the other one. This is how it comes packaged, which is so cute. It's like the band on the coffee. And then this beautiful notebook says, your wounds and imperfections are your beauty. And it's like foiled. And I love the marble and the black. And I'm going to gift this to someone. It has lined pages on the inside. And it also has it on the back. But I just thought it was the most beautiful little notebook. And I love using journals. Like this would be a really cute prayer journal. It would be a sweet place to do some scripture writing. I have a whole YouTube video about scripture writing that I'll link below. So this really pretty notebook. And they had a bunch of other ones too that had different quotes on them. But this one just spoke to my soul. So pretty. Next, I found, oops, things are tumbling down. I found this tissue paper, and there's a thing that is called the napkin technique, where you use clear gesso to put down napkins, but I've also used it to put down tissue paper, and I loved the pattern specifically on these two. So this like blue floral and green kind of swipes, and so I thought these would be really pretty to use in journaling. The time that I've used tissue paper before, excuse me, is kind of a mint color like this, and so tissue paper, there it comes with 8 sheets for $1, and so I just thought that would be really pretty to use in my journaling and Bible. Next, I found these cute stickers. They're all tropical. It makes me think of summer. Today it snowed, so I can't wait for summer. And so I like how it has little tabs. So the first page are all puffy stickers, and they have like the toucan, flamingo, a lemon. The next page are glitter stickers. Then you have some foil stickers, and lastly, just plain glossy stickers. And majestically awkward, that's funny. So you have these fun little sticker sheets. And then the last thing I got was this little set of sticky notes. I love using sticky notes in my Bible and in my journaling. Oh, I thought this little notebook was going to have the same print on the inside, but it doesn't. But we have these little sticky notes that are shaped like lemons and limes. So a cute little notebook and lemon and lime sticky notes. So I just thought that was such fun goodies from the Dollar Tree and from Joann's to use in Bible journaling and faith journaling. So let me know in the comments below, have you guys ever found really cute steals at the Dollar Tree that you love to use in your journaling? And I would love to hear. And be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you love Bible journaling on a budget like me. And be sure to subscribe to the Creative Faith YouTube channel for more videos like this. And hit that bell notification so you guys know when I post new videos. And be sure to go click down in the description box to see my other supply haul from Growing Meadows and Tuesday Morning.